in Tulum they have what's called the Jungle Gym, and I think there's one in
That's what I was
Bali
gonna
as
bring
well.
up, yeah.
And that's a really, really cool place where you've obviously got like free weights, but they're literal blocks of wood that are making up the kg, or you've got these contraptions, like you've got all your like leg press and everything, but then basically you've got your leg press.
I'll explain this one. I know what you're about to say. So the machine is the back pull thing where you're kind of sitting down, you're pulling it like that, but there's a net, and you get someone in the net and you just pull them.
Some kind of like lever pulley system where you're basically pulling the other person's weight.
It's good fun because it literally makes a workout fun.
And that was something nice to do as well.
Yeah.
It was an experience of some kind. I think people actually do kind of like holiday in Tulum and then they buy like a membership for like a few weeks or something, but we just got a day pass.
Yeah.
And it was like a fun experience, like, maybe slightly expensive, but I don't know, a good fun.
It is good fun. And then outside they have a nice like pull-up bar in front of the beach where you can get nice pictures.
Yeah.
It is a very, very much
Instagram
influencer type Instagrammer gym.
Yeah.
Like no one goes there and doesn't film.